The real estate market in Dubai has changed a lot. Investors and end users are now more focused on the lifestyle that comes with their new properties, and developers in turn are stepping up their game. SO Residences is a global brand with presence in more than 7 countries such as New Zealand, Germany and Singapore. They are offering new projects in Dubai, located 7 minutes away from Dubai Marina and 5 minutes away from Jumeirah beach. This project offers 1 to 3 bedrooms, along with 2-bedroom duplexes featuring a white theme. The floor features porcelain tile, wooden skirting, and stone-top countertop.
In terms of lifestyle amenities, the project has 2 pools.
An indoor pool overlooking the Arabian Gulf when you want to avoid the sand, and 1 outdoor pool to get the nice tan. If you are a fitness freak, the building has a state-of-the-art gym for you. You got a little one? Amazing, kids clap for them. A sky lounge for you to relax in after a long day. One of the key highlights of this tower is the multi-purpose hall that can be converted into a private cinema so that you enjoy your favorite movies in private. Click on Learn More below and upgrade your lifestyle.